Hi, my name is Madsen Oyen. I'm the Chief of Central Region in UNICEF Afghanistan, and I'm going to take you on a polio monitoring mission to Gardez, which is in Paktia province in eastern Afghanistan towards along the Pakistani border. Here we are crossing into Paktia over the mountains, and it's always a relief to reach this point because security actually significantly improves as well. Now we're in Gardez town, and we're going door to door to check children and see if they've been vaccinated. These areas are already been covered, and what we are looking for is a black mark on each child's finger, made with a marker to see that they've actually received their dose of 2 drops. Here we are trying to check the age of the child. That's always a challenge in a country where there isn't very much age documentation and birth registration. So what we do is that we ask the child to reach across their head and try to touch their ear. This child could not reach their ear, which would indicate normally the child is under 5, but was probably malnourished and stunted, and therefore couldn't actually reach and was the child was actually over 5 years old and wasn't in the To know that each house has been
This
covered, we
J2
actually make
means
markings
that
on
July.
the doors.
July round because
January.
actually this J stands for June and July. Since one scenario was implemented in June, so in order to differentiate, so they have added 2. That's J2. It means July. The second J means July, and this is cluster number 2, and this is team number 4, and this it stands for house number 37, and this means that the total children under 5 in this house is 7, and out of this 7 been vaccinated. So we are just cross-checking where are those 7. Actually, they have received. The mother says that she's been vaccinated in the morning, but the finger is not.
According to policy, if you find a child with missed finger, he or she should receive.
So as you heard, the mother didn't want to wake up this child and instead offered to immunize the child herself, and we're not sure if the child was immunized, and it doesn't have the black mark on its finger, so we chose to re-immunize. That's the protocol. Here we're visiting a Kuchi nomadic camp to check if they have been immunized. Often the Kuchis are marginalized when it comes to health services, and it was very pleasing to see that almost all the children had actually received their dose today.
He says I'm not vaccinated. He was vaccinated in Bazaar yesterday.
Vaccinated in Bazaar, the fluting.
Oh, one child.
He was sleeping at that time, so
This child is not vaccinated.
So we found an additional child unvaccinated. The child was sleeping and the parents were out and nobody wanted to wake up the child. That's quite a common problem, and here you see the child gets vaccinated. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching from me and the team, and have a good day.